Have you ever opened your trading platform and felt your heart sink as you watch another losing trade wipe out hours of work? I've been there. I remember one week where I lost over 50% of my account just because I didn't have a system. At that moment, I realized something. The market wasn't my problem. I was making the same mistakes over and over, thinking a new indicator or strategy would save me. In this video, I'm sharing the 7 things I did to finally stop losing in Forex. These aren't just tips. They are real strategies that changed my trading and mindset. If you want fewer losses and more consistent results, keep watching. Step 1. I learned to respect risk. For a long time, I thought risking more means bigger wins. I once risked 10% of my account on a single trade because I was convinced it was a sure thing. Guess what happened? It hit my stop loss in minutes, and I watched a week's profit vanish. That's when I learned risk management is the foundation of trading. Now I risk only 1 to 2% per trade, and it completely changed my approach. Even if I have a losing streak, my account survives. Here's the truth. Protecting your capital is more important than chasing profits. It might feel slow at first, but surviving the market is the real win. Start with small, consistent risks and let compounding do the work over time. Step 2. I followed a trading plan. Before, I traded like a gambler. Every news headline, every tip from a Telegram group, every hot strategy I saw online, I tried it all, and it cost me dearly. I remember blindly copying a strategy one afternoon. Everyone was raving about it online. I thought I'd hit a jackpot. Instead, I lost half my week's profits in 30 minutes. The mystery? Most traders fail because they trade without a plan. That's when I realized I needed a roadmap. A trading plan. My plan included clear entry rules, only trade setups that match my criteria. Stop loss rules, where to cut losses automatically. Profit targets, exactly when to take gains. Conditions to stay out, when the market is too volatile or low liquidity. The power of this plan became clear one morning. A trade looked perfect, but my plan said stay out. I hesitated, but I followed it. That trade crashed just minutes later, just like the plan predicted. Trading without a plan is like wandering blind in a forest. You might survive, or you might get lost. Following a plan turns chaos into predictable, repeatable results. Step 3. I stopped overtrading. I used to believe more trades meant more chances to win. One night, I placed 5 trades in an hour, chasing tiny movements, thinking I could recover my losses. By midnight, I was deep in the red, frustrated, and exhausted. The market has a way of punishing impatience. Overtrading not only costs money, but also destroys mental clarity. Stress builds up, and mistakes multiply. The lesson? Fewer trades, higher quality. I began waiting for setups that screamed high probability. One well-chosen trade could outperform 5 desperate ones. Here's a story. I skipped a setup that looked promising because it didn't meet my exact criteria. Later, it reversed completely. Meanwhile, my next trade, a setup I waited hours for, hit the target perfectly. That day, I made more profit by trading less, not more. Overtrading is a trap many beginners fall into, and escaping it is one of the biggest secrets to surviving Forex. Step 4. I managed my emotions. Emotions were silently sabotaging my account. Fear, greed, frustration. They were in every trade. I'd close winners too early, hold on to losers too long, and revenge trade after a bad streak. One unforgettable night. After a small loss, I impulsively opened a random trade to get it back. I lost double that amount within minutes. My emotions were controlling me, not logic. I started journaling my feelings. Every time I felt fear, impatience, or greed, I noted it down. Slowly, I discovered patterns. Emotional trades almost always led to losses, while calm, disciplined trades usually won. The mystery here. Controlling emotions is the hidden edge all top traders share. Indicators and strategies matter, but mastering your mind is what truly stops losses. Step 5. I learned from my losses. Instead of blaming the market, I asked, why did I lose? The answers were shocking. Mistakes included. Entering against the trend, ignoring key news events, risking too much on low-probability setups. One trade stands out. I went long because I felt the market would rise, ignoring the bigger trend. The trade hit my stop loss. I documented everything. What went wrong, why I made the mistake, and how to avoid it in the future. That's when I realized every loss is a hidden teacher. Most traders skip this step. They blame luck and repeat the same mistakes. Learning from losses turns the market from enemy to teacher. Step 6. I improved my strategy. I realized that having a strategy isn't enough. It has to fit your life and style. Blindly copying others leads to frustration and losses. I tested my strategies extensively, tweaked setups, and eliminated ones that didn't match my schedule. One strategy looked perfect on paper but required monitoring every minute. I couldn't do it consistently. Adjusting it to my routine improved both my win rate and confidence. The secret? The market rewards strategies that fit you, not the other way around. Once I aligned my strategy with my lifestyle, risk tolerance, and habits, my results became predictable, and my confidence soared. Step 7. I took breaks. Here's a secret few traders admit. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. I used to push through losses, thinking I could recover immediately. One afternoon, after 3 small losses, I decided to walk away for an hour. When I returned, a setup appeared, but I recognized it wasn't high probability. Skipping it saved my account from a potential disaster. Breaks reset your mind, reduce impulsive mistakes, and restore discipline. The market will always be there. You don't need to chase it. Stepping away is not giving up. It's winning smart. So these are the 7 things I did to stop losing in Forex. Respect risk. Follow a trading plan. Stop overtrading, manage emotions. Learn from losses. Improve your strategy. Take breaks. Start applying these today, and your losses will shrink, confidence will grow, and trading will finally feel predictable. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Comment below. Which of these 7 steps is hardest for you? Let's uncover the secrets together.